Jade's Secret Ingredients, a recipe for managing feelings. Written by Ashley Finley. Illustrated by Agia Putri. Hi, my name is Jade, and I love baking. But I don't just bake with anyone. My granny is my favorite baking buddy. Together, we bake all kinds of delicious foods. My granny is the best baker around. You can ask anyone. We all love her cookies, breads, and cakes. Of course, I love all of Granny's treats. But what I love the most is the time we spend together. Granny teaches me so much more than just how to bake. She always says something that stays with me long after our time in the kitchen is done. These are our secret ingredients. Secret ingredient number 1, stay in the moment. When Granny and I bake together, sometimes I start to think of all the steps that I need to complete and get confused along the way. Just do one step at a time, she'll tell me. This way you don't get ahead of yourself and miss the chance to enjoy each moment. Secret ingredient number 2, keep trying. At times when we bake, I make mistakes. Granny takes her time and helps me look at them in a positive way. How can you turn those mistakes into something delicious? She'll ask. Secret ingredient number 3, have fun. Mixing can be fun, and sometimes I get carried away. It's easy to get flour all over the place. Granny will chuckle and whisper in my ear, sometimes making a mess is the best part, my dear. Secret ingredient number 4, take breaks. When things get hard and I feel like giving up, Granny will flash her bright smile and say, "You're doing so well, honey, but it looks like it's time to give yourself a break. Make sure you come back and finish. You'll be glad you did." Secret ingredient number 5, ask questions. On some days, I get curious and ask lots of questions. Granny always responds with love and says, "That's one of my favorite things about you. You are always brave enough to ask." Secret ingredient number 6, be patient. When I look into the oven and want to take out our baked goodies too soon, Granny will say, "Patience is important, my love. Our treats aren't done just yet. Come, let's play a game while we wait." Secret ingredient number 7, relax. Although I love baking with Granny, it makes me frustrated when I can't get something right. Close your eyes, take a deep breath, Granny calmly says. Count backwards with me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now open your eyes and try your best. Practice makes progress. Secret ingredient number 8, reflect. When we finish baking our treats, Granny will often say, "Let's stand back and look at all we have done. Every ingredient played a part in making this wonderful new creation. Each one is just as important as the others." Secret ingredient number 9, be thankful. Sometimes things come out the way that we planned, and other times they turn out differently. No matter the result, Granny always gives me a hug and happily says, "I'm so grateful that I was able to bake with you today." All of these secret ingredients are special, just like each ingredient in a recipe. The best thing about these special ingredients is that I can take them with me everywhere I go. To school, to the mall, to the park. No matter where I am, I have the power to use these secret ingredients myself and to share them with others.